How to undo and redo your actions in Figma. It might sound simple, but mastering these functions can save you a lot of time and frustrations. Let's get right into it. First, let's clarify what we mean by undo and redo. The undo functions allows you to go back on your most recent actions. Let's say you accidentally deleted an item or made a change you didn't like and you want to undo it. And the redo function, on the other hand, let's say you revert back to the action you just undid. So yeah, these two functions are your best friends when designing, helping you work more efficiently and less stress. So who doesn't like less stress, right? So how do we actually perform these actions in Figma? So in order to undo an action, you can simply press Command+G on Mac or Ctrl+D on Windows. Alternatively, you can click onto the Edit menu. It's at the very top left corner of the screen. And here you can see the Edit option, and you can see the option of Undo and Redo. You can simply tap into this Undo, right? So, okay, let's bring it into the action. So let's say I'm going to color this, right? Let's go, turn it into red. Okay, it's red now. But I decided that I don't want this color at all. I just want to undo it. So in order to undo, like I just told, if you remember, let's simply tap Ctrl Z again, and there you go. I just undid whatever I just did. Or let's go back again. Let's color it again. Okay. This time, okay, whatever this color is, lime color, I don't know, lime green. So you can do the same thing by going to the left top corner and go to the Edit and Undo. Sorry, let's do it again. Undo, and there you go. It has just changed and went back to the red since it was red previously. Easy, right? This will revert your actions, giving you peace of mind while you design. So now what if you undo something and then realize, oops, I actually wanted that back. So again, you can simply go to the Ctrl Z and now it's blank. And there you go. Now this will bring back your most recent undo, so you can easily go back and forth between your actions. So it's really like, that's it. You now master the art of undoing and redoing actions with Figma. Plus, learn how to again, go back to whatever you were doing before and stuff like that. So that's all. Thanks for watching and happy designing. See you in the next video.